Student, today we are going to start new session, and in this sessions we will solve some questions, and I will also try to explain why questions is wrong and question is correct. So yeah, please stay connected to me, and I will try to solve those questions, and you have to also solve from your side. You have to take your time, and after that you can check that you have done right or you have done wrong. So let's start. First question is which one is correct, and the first is I will see you when I shall come back. I'll see you when I come back. So here is two option and you have to choose one. One is correct, so you can choose. So I will go with second one. So I will see you when I come back. So this is the correct, and why this is the correct, I think you people are aware, because in there is a two clause. In first clause I will see you when I come back. So if first clause is in a future form, then second one will be in present indefinite tense. So this is the rule, and you can also check the rule here. If the verb is in the main clause in the future, the verb in the time clause must be in the present form. So you can see here also. And the second one is which one is correct. First one is if Jay ask me I will stay, and the second one if Jay will ask me I will stay. Again the same things. In first one there is a in first one there is a present indefinite, and after that there is a you can say future indefinite. Again in the second sentence in both clause there is a future indefinite. So according to the same rule, the first one would be correct. You can check again. Use the present tense in a future conditional if the clause if the in the if clause and the future tense in the main clause, but the future tense may be used in an if clause expressing a request. So it would be like that. Again the third one question, which one is correct. He talks as if he knows everything, and the second one, he talks as if he knew everything. So you have to choose one. One is correct, so you have to choose one. So I will go with the second one. Okay, he talks as if he knows everything. So second one is correct. And why is correct, then we can see. Use the past tense after the phrase as if or as though. So if you are finding as if or as though, then you have to use a past tense, past tense after first one. Use the subjective verb with the verb to be after as if. So you have to think, you have to think this thing in your mind while solving the question. Again the next one is which one is correct. I would wish to know more English. Again the second one, I wish that I knew more English. Okay, in first one I would wish to know more English, and in second one I wish that I knew more English. So I will go with second one. I wish that I knew more English. And why this second one is correct, you can see answer also. Use the present tense of wish to express a present meaning followed by that clause containing a past tense. Okay, so if you are you are talking about the bis, and after that you have to use past tense. In bis you can't use would. Okay, I wish means I can use, we can use, but the problem is that we are talking about the present situation. So in the present, if we are doing wish currently, then we have to use second past tense in second clause. Again the question is which one is correct. If he asked me I would stay, and the second one, if he would ask me I would stay. Okay, if he asked me I would stay, and the second one, if he would ask me I would stay. So I will go the first with the first one. And why the first one is correct, you can see here. You can read this why it is written. And you have heard about conditional sentence. So it is a conditional sentence also. It is the second one. It is the second type of conditional sentence. So you can also watch okay, what is the conditional sentence. So first one would be the correct. Thank you. And if you are people liking such type of initiative, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, and share with your friend, and support if you wanna such type of video. Okay, thank you guys.